This video is how to make a rag rug. How to make a weaved rag rug. You can make crocheted rag rugs as well, and it's nicer because you don't need the loom, but I personally prefer standing on a weaved rag rug a lot more. If you have a bunch of fabric scraps or just a bunch of t-shirts you don't want anymore, this is a perfect way to get rid of them. I found this board behind a blind store, and I'm pretty sure it was like on the bottom of like a stove or something, but they just like put them back there when they don't want them, so like I took it. It's pretty easy to make a rag rug loom. You get a couple boards and make them into a square, and then I eyeballed screws about 2 centimeters apart on 2 sides. The first time I made a rag rug, I made my loom about the size of a queen bed, and that was way too big. That was a really big rug to start with. I definitely recommend doing a smaller size for your first one. And also think about where you're going to put your rag rug ahead of time so you know what size it should be. If you don't already have strips of fabric, cut your fabric into 1-inch thick strips. It doesn't really matter how long the strips are, but it's really nice to start with the continuous strip for the very beginning, for the back and forth section. To make a continuous strip out of a t-shirt, lay your t-shirt flat and cut across where the armholes are. Then cut parallel lines, but don't go all the way to the edge. Open it up and take your first line and just cut it diagonally to the edge, and then attach all your other cut marks on a diagonal. This makes a slinky shape, and it's all one continuous strip. To join strips together, make slits in both of the ends, then slide one of the strips through the hole of the other one, and then slide the end of that one through the hole of the one that you just slid through. Then pull it tightly. Weave back and forth the beginning, and then when you weave the rug, go in and out each strip individually. I thought a spoon might work good for this, but actually a safety pin worked better. My first rug, I had a paint stick that my friend drilled a hole into. That worked pretty good too. When the entire rag rug is weaved, hand sew any loose ends. There should only be like 1 or 2 spots, and then pull the rag rug off the loom. Ta-da! We got a rag rug. Check out some of my other videos. See you later, alligator.